So let me just tell you how your knowledge can be leveraged to a much better way. All right. So you can see here that this is the expert alerts page. It comes out here. Okay. You have to click this icon and then you have to click on expert alerts. Once you click on expert alerts, you'll see this, page, and you have to come and see here. You have to come and see these area, right? You can see here on this page, you can see here that Syngene was flashed. So the moment you get this cut, you can see here, the moment you get this cut, NeoTrader catches it. NeoTrader is designed to help you connect with the market. What is the biggest problem today? We all agreed that there is shortage of time. Plus, in that limited time which we have to find out so many things in the market. And amongst them, we have to find profitable opportunities, right? So that is what NeoTrader is doing. There will be many Bollinger Band cuts, but the quality ones are the ones which are going to come to you. And from that, how to filter it out. Now you got so many names, how to filter it out. That is what I'm showing you. I'm showing you how you can qualify further after NeoTrader gives you. NeoTrader already gives you a shortlisted candidate. It says where the Bollinger Band is cutting the upper band, or in the negative, you will see where the Bollinger Band is cutting the lower band. Now, once you get that, you know that yes, you got a strategy. And once you deploy that strategy, you can start participating in the market. So your first part, your identification part gets taken care. Please understand the biggest problem today, which all of us have, is identification. How many people agree with me? How many people agree with me? कि identification ही हो नहीं रहा है हमसे. हमको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि कहां पर मूवमेंट हो रहा है. Bomb is bursting on the right, you are looking at the left. Correct? तो क्या होगा? आप रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन में भागेंगे एंड एंड ऑफ द डे आपका जब गणित होगा, यू विल फाइंड दैट योर PNL इज नॉट गुड. एंड दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ एवरीवन. इट वाज आल्सो of many people who have now changed their bottom line. Yeah, I'm sure some of you will agree with me who are there online, जिनका PNL काफी हद तक चेंज हो चुका है, क्योंकि NeoTrader आपको बता देता है कि कहां पर एक्शन हो रहा है. मैं आपको बता रहा हूं कि एक्शन का स्टॉक मिलने पे काम कैसे करना है. तो बस आपको सिर्फ 1+1 जोड़ना है, और 1+1 as per NeoTrader is not 2, it is 11. Why? Because that is the magic of NeoTrader. That is a formula which Dr. Narayan has put behind the scenes to work for you. So all you have to do is look at this stock, look at this simple approach which I'm sharing with you, and that's it. You don't have to trade the whole day. If you have to trade the whole day, then you better go to some job. But if you want to trade smart, like some of you had said, I want to work hard working से पैसा बनेगा, right? So this is smart working. Be a smart trader, be a NeoTrader. तो देखिए यहाँ पर आपको पता चलता है कि कौन से स्टॉक पर एक्शन हो रहा है, कौन से स्टॉक को मुझे देखना है, और फिर उससे देखकर हम काम कर सकते हैं, right? So let's take a look at some more examples which was flashed in NeoTrader. You can see here, this is Honeywell Automation. Size 15, बट आपको 2 दिन मौका दिया इसने. अब देखिए यहाँ पे एक कंसोलिडेशन है, स्क्वीज है. बॉलिंगर बैंड की भाषा में इसे स्क्वीज कहते हैं. So one squeeze comes and then this movement comes, so it gets flashed in NeoTrader. To take that and participate. Again, prices underwent some consolidation and again it went. So again it was flashed in NeoTrader. Again you saw a move. So this way your market participation will become easy. How many of you feel that your understanding of Bollinger Band has gone up to the next level? आपका एक बल्ब ऑन मोमेंट हो गया है और अभी आपको लग रहा है कि Bollinger Band से मैं मार्केट में ट्रेड कर सकता हूं. Okay, right? So Bollinger Band is a very useful tool, but just like a knife, if you don't know how to use it well, you'll only end up hurting yourself, right? So now you understand that this way the trade gets flashed, your concept has been cleared. तो आप बेकार में चार्ट नहीं देखेंगे, आपको पता है कि चार्ट पर क्या देखना है. That is the beauty now. So once NeoTrader is by your side, once you have got this concept of this workshop with you, all you have to do is just participate. Trade आप stocks आपके सामने आएंगे, आपको चार्ट देखना है और बस लग जाना है काम पे. स्टॉप लॉस है आपका, देखिए यहाँ पर you got an entry at around 795. It went all the way till 825. You did not satisfied even at the last cut, you were able to make around 20 points. So you can see here that how simple NeoTrader is making the job for you. All you have to do is keep the page open. उतना तो करना पड़ेगा, right? अगर किसी को लगता है कि NeoTrader ट्रेड करके आपके बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे डाल दें, सॉरी, उतना हाईटेक हमारा सिस्टम हुआ नहीं है अभी तक. ओके, तो चलते हैं अभी आगे और देखते हैं कि कैसे काम करेंगे. बट इसके पहले any questions you guys? Okay, any questions? Let me take a look at some questions here. Yeah. Yes, Rohan, that is why I am saying that you have to put in the principles which are there of consolidation, and NeoTrader is telling you what stocks are going above the upper Bollinger Band. NeoTrader is telling you what stocks are going below the lower Bollinger Band. So automatically you know that there is a movement which is getting started, right? Now when that movement is getting started, तो आपको पता चल जाता है कि yes, there is a movement going on. Then you put all the other parameters and then take the trade. I hope you got an idea, Rohan. Yes, Dinesh, that's what I told you. NeoTrader is shortlisting the stock. SBI Life is there. You see here all the stocks which I showed you, they are here. NeoTrader tells you that there is a movement happening. बॉम्ब कहां पर फट रहा है, वो इंडिकेशन आपको NeoTrader देगा. उसके बाद आपको देखना है कि क्या वो रस्सी बॉम्ब है, कि वो ताजमहल है, और इट इज वन हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब और अ न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब. दैट यू हैव टू डिसाइड. कुछ तो काम करना पड़ेगा ना. NeoTrader is bridging the gap between identification and execution. Please understand. आपको आइडेंटिफाई करके देता है और आपको कंफर्मेशन में थोड़ा सा चीज आप अप्लाई करेंगे, आपका एग्जीक्यूशन ठीक तरह से होगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव गॉट दिस? It is a process oriented approach. There are multiple ways to deal with this. We will be covering it in all our workshop one after the other. All you have to do is be a part of our ecosystem so that you know that yes, ऐसा धमाकेदार चीज हो रहा है यहाँ पे. We are doing something mind blowing, and all you have to do is you can do intraday swing कर सकते हैं. आपको जो चाहे इसमें कर सकते हैं, आपको जो चाहे कर सकते हैं. Whoever wants to be part of the ecosystem, all you have to do is get connected with our team. If you're interested to know more, leave your name and number, and we'll be happy to share with you how you can be part of this ecosystem, because NeoTrader is all about helping you make money consistently. That's the only idea. कि मार्केट में पैसा कैसे बनाएं, रोज कैसे बनाएं. I'm not talking about lakhs, I'm not talking about crores, because that is something which is like too far to reach. Maybe not now, maybe later. Sometimes you get disillusioned, but this is the kind of process which we have. So those of you who are interested can keep sharing as I go along. You can share your name and number. Our team will be more than happy to let you know how you can be part of this beautiful ecosystem. RBL Bank. Right? RBL Bank, if you take a look at the page, okay, let me just show you. RBL Bank, one of the top losers. Yesterday market was bullish, right? Yesterday market was bullish, but then some of the stocks work. You can see here, there is something called as bearish summary. Bearish summary से भी आप काम कर सकते हैं. तो NeoTrader में 45 years का डॉक्टर नारायण का एक्सपीरियंस है, और इस 45 मिनट में मैं उसका एक अंश ही आपको बता सकता हूँ. अगर आपको जानना है कि नियो ट्रेडर आपके लिए कैसे काम कर सकता है, नियो ट्रेडर आपके लिए कैसे मदद कर सकता है, तो ऑल यू गॉट टू डू इज शेयर योर नेम एंड नंबर, दैट्स इट, and rest will take care. My team is there. I've got a very dedicated team. We are working day and night to ensure that we share with you how to do your trading better. कितना better वो आपके हाथ में, right? Yes, Bollinger Band is used as part of our ready-made strategies also. But then what you're seeing here is the power of NeoTrader Pro. NeoTrader Pro is for advanced traders. बट एडवांस का मतलब नहीं है कि आपको कई साल रुकना पड़ेगा मार्केट में, राइट? वी हैव वेटेड फॉर सो मेनी इयर्स एंड वी एट न्यू ट्रेडर टीम हैव गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कैप्चर डॉक्टर नारायण वेल्थ ऑफ विजडम इनटू टेक्नोलॉजी. सो हमने क्या किया है, हमने टेक्निकल एनालिसिस और टेक्नोलॉजी को जोड़ दिया है. तो उससे क्या होता है कि आपको टेक्निकल एनालिसिस करना ही है तो क्यों ना स्मार्टर वे में करें, राइट? All of us are talking about innovation, all of us are talking about new things, and that is why Dr. Narayan ने 1978 में बनाया था एक tool which used to analyze charts. It was a fantastic technical analysis tool, charting tool. But then आज जाकर उनको क्यों लगा कि ऐसा कुछ करना है, उनको लगा कि आज के तारीख में ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए which will take the power of technology, harness the power of technology, and you will have a power of 1,000 analysts working for you.